Hi guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix broken link using Instagram. So go for your profile, then go for edit profile, and the reason of your broken link is that your username is not right. So just copy it or just remember this username and go back, go for your browser and go for in this search and search for instagram.com. Here you can see I've already searched for it. Then you can see there is a pen icon here. Click on it and now write here your username here or paste it here. So just write my username here, and when you are done just copy it from here and go to your any uh, social media and just share the link, and you can see if I go for this link and it's directly go for my account, Instagram account. So that's it. This is how you can fix your broken link on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.